Hi everyone. If you're looking for chair exercises for seniors or a gentle workout you can do at home, this is for you. Today we're at the lovely lake very close to our home, 5 minutes walk, and we're lucky enough in the summer to be able to come down here and enjoy it, the birds singing, and let's get going.
First exercise is marching, which is great for our legs. So we're just going to do one leg at a time, up, down. You can put your arms out in front of you. You can put them across your chest like that. Just nice and easy, as high as you like, or as low as you like. Yes, marching. Great for the legs. Keep on going. If you can do 15 on each leg, that'll be great. You can only do 10 or 5, again, that's great. Great for the hips, great for the core.
Absolutely.
Nice to be out in the fresh air with the birds singing. The water fountains in the background. And if you fancy a swim, it's a bit cold.
It's just a few ducks to join you.
Hopefully, yeah. Okay, last 5. Here we go. That's it. You can speed it up a little bit if you like. If you're comfortable.
Okay.
And stop there. Next one, you can either put your hands on the chair or again in front of you, and we're just going to stand. Up we go, and down, under control. Up we go again, and down. That's it.
Cool.
Are you counting?
Okay, bye.
Oh, that's lucky. What are we up to now?
8.
Right, I'll just do 10 of these.
Yeah. And one more?
Yep.
Brilliant.
And down. And relax. Next one, this is where you don't want to hit your partner, okay? We're going to have our arms at our sides. Don't go too much there. And up we go above our head. Nice stretching for our shoulders. And down. Nice and slowly, under control.
I can feel a tree leaf above me.
You can. Oh, well. I've always wanted to be a gardener or a tree surgeon.
Actually touching a leaf.
Are you? Good.
Don't really need to notice that.
There we go. Keep going.
6.
I'm leaving you in charge of counting again.
Am I? Sorry.
Promotion.
9.
10. And one for luck. Come on. Okay. Hands there.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is chest. Arms above your head. And we're just going to put them behind our neck there. And back. Down here. And then back behind. As far as we can go. Shoulders, chest stretching. Nice, gentle.
Let's feel my core chest stretching and
Yeah, stretching your spine as well, your core. I'm leaving you in charge of counting again, don't you? Bit worried about this count.
I'm going to finish you on this one.
Okay, that's fine.
Halfway there.
Great. It's the sun had come out though.
Yeah, it's dark a minute ago. It's fine. Turned into a windy day. 16.
Oh, well done. Great for seniors this.
Last one.
And all sitting down, no problem. Okay.
Brilliant. Now, I'm going to do the same.
Yep, next exercise over to you, Karo.
Okay, so my left leg is going to go over my right knee. Then my right hand is on my top of my knee, and we're going to turn and twist to our left. So that we're looking away. We'll come back, and then we turn and twist to our left. Very good for neck rotation and stretching those muscles on the neck.
Yep, great for seniors. All these exercises can be done sitting down in the comfort of your own home. While you're watching TV, right?
Absolutely. Just give them whatever you like. Even eating your breakfast, some of them.
Great for mobility, great for stretching.
9 and 10, and now we're going to change. So we're going to put our left leg down, our right leg over our left knee, our left hand on our right knee, and then we're going to stretch to the other side. Really good for the blind spot when you're driving, to make sure your neck muscles.
Where do you keep your eyes?
Your neck muscles are stretched and working, so it's easier. Nothing worse than your neck aching if you're trying to look to the right of the awkward angle. 7, 8. And last one, 10. All the time when your left hand is on your knee, I don't know if you hope you felt it, but it really helps stretching your hip joints. Okay, over to you, Ant.
Wow. Next one we're going to do. Arms up here, bend, and then we're going to go down and up. Down and up. That is great for your shoulders, mobility, strength.
It's great. Best for senior fitness, this.
Luckily we're all senior.
And the good mobility exercises, your arms and your legs. Help us when we're walking. Strengthening all those core muscles.
I hope you're counting.
I need to say 10.
You need 15 on the spot.
Okay. 11. 13. Coming up. You want for lunch, shall we do?
Yeah.
Why not?
Hey. And down.
And down.
All right. Next one, we're going to sit on the edge of your chair. And this, we're going to stretch our legs. We're going to do our hamstring. So we're going to go there. Put our hands on this knee. Just feel it. Back there. If you want to do your calf as well at the same time, put your toe up towards your chin. Just hold it there nicely. Hold it for 10 seconds if you can. Feel those hamstrings just gently stretching. You don't want to pull one. Just need to stretch it. You don't when you walk or jog or run. You don't pull that muscle in your hamstring. Okay, relax. Change legs. Left leg out, hands on your right there. Just feel it in the back of your thigh, which is your hamstring. And then put your toe up if you like, just to stretch your calf a little bit.
It's sitting up nice and straight.
Yep, back straight, head up.
You keep smiling.
Oh, of course, smiling and breathing, very important.
Very good.
Okay, and change. And we're going to do the same again on the other leg.
Yeah, sitting up nice and straight.
Yep, back straight. Okay, and change. Last leg. Lucky we've only got 2 legs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nice and gentle. Relax. Okay, next one, we're going to go back to your arms. We're going to do our arm circling, or if we're lucky, it'll be duck circling, but I haven't actually seen any ducks today. So I think they're on their holidays. Okay. Arms out. And we're just going to do small circles. Clockwise to begin with. Ten seconds if you can. And stop. And reverse anti-clockwise. You can go bigger if you like with the circles. And stop. And back round.
Oh, I can feel that.
Good, yeah. You can be surprised how heavy your arms get. And stop. And reverse the last little go.
Great chair workout.
Yeah. Do stop if your arms stop off.
Come and watch these exercises every week. You do these 2 times a week, it really helps all your movements.
And relax.
Lovely.
Right.
Oh, great.
Okay. We're finished now with the last 2 exercises, both to do with your arms and shoulders. Okay, first one. In fact, we'll combine the 2. Okay, here we go. Arms in front. And we're just going to do a little bit of paddling here. There we go. Nice and easy. Not too big.
And if you enjoyed these exercises, please subscribe. It's totally free. You don't have to give over any details, and it will really help our channel. We love creating these videos, and it'd be lovely to hear in the comments that you've enjoyed doing them.
Okay, let's change now to above your head and punches. Here we go.
Am I going to do quite quickly, or?
Yeah, quick as you like, slow as you like, fast as you like. Till your arms drop it. Okay. And change back to paddling. And back up. There we go. Punch, punch, punch. Then you're boxing Tyson Fury. Or Muhammad Ali if you're as old as I am. And change. And last 5 seconds. 4. Where are you going?
Sorry.
Sure. Keep with the program. 3, 2, and stop.
Lovely.
Well, hope you've enjoyed that workout.
Yes.
All can be done sitting on a chair, nice comfortable chair, or a sofa, or even the edge of your bed if you like.
And do look at our next video, which I will leave up the top here, because we suggest that you watch, and look out for some more location videos.
Okay, we're really into location videos, but don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks so much.
Thanks,
Bye.
and bye.